Hello, hello people on YouTube. Welcome back to Erica Goth YouTube channel. Okay, people. People, I want you to subscribe Erica Goth channel and press another bell button. You don't miss what video I post every day. Yeah. And press like you like this video. To please leave a comment below what you think this video. Okay. My name is Erica Goth. And I am Sophia's mother. Yeah. And guess what today's video we're going to do? And today's video we are going to do 100 ways to die. Another way, am I going to die with the chainsaw, going to kill me. Okay, people. People, guess what is today's date? Today. I'm going to tell you what is today's date. Okay, people. Today's date is going to be. I'm going to tell you something. Today's date. It is going to be a 31st of October 2022, and that means I'm going to tell you that again. You must understand pronunciation on it. Okay. Today's date is today. It's the 31st of October 2022. That means today is Halloween day. That means Halloween day. Halloween Eve. Okay. Right now, are we going to do a Halloween video and guess what I'm going to do, people? Are you thinking, people? Okay, people, this video we are going to do a Halloween day video, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to do a Halloween video. Yes, a Halloween video. Guess what we are going to do? We are going to do a Halloween video, and 100 ways to die video is part of Halloween. Okay, because I'm going to prove it to you. A reason why I'm going to prove this video. I'm going to prove this video. And this video is a Halloween video. Because the reason why this video is a Halloween video is something to do with 100 ways to die. Okay, people. People, are you about to watch a video about the Halloween video about 100 ways to die? Okay, 100 ways to die a part of Halloween. Okay, and guess what? Because people England, United Kingdom, everywhere in the world celebrate Halloween because of 100 ways to die. And I think that is part of Halloween day, Halloween Eve video. Okay, okay, okay. Because I am ready to do it. Okay, because I am born ready to do it. Because I am feeling a thing normal, normal. Am I going to do this Halloween video? I'm titling the Halloween video. It is a Halloween day and 100 ways to die. Okay? Okay, it's starting now. Okay? Okay. 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 Because I am ready. Okay? I'm ready to do it. Okay? Okay. Okay. Because I'm going to stand up now. Okay? Okay. Yes, do it. Okay? Okay. One day, Erica Goth is walking in Saltwing, minding your own business, and suddenly, Erica Goth see in the path on Saltwing, Erica just saw a tank saw stuck. Guess what Erica see? Because Erica Goth see a chainsaw stuck in the ground, standing up. It was armed. Because Erica didn't realize this chainsaw is armed. Just and Erica Goth trying to pull the tanks just so up be free. And Erica didn't realize the chainsaw is on, and the chainsaw and kill Erica. Okay. Okay, starting from now. Okay. Okay. Oh my God! Guess what I just see over here? Because I saw a chainsaw was stuck in the ground. Because I just saw a chainsaw was stuck in the ground. Oh no! Guess what I must do? Because I must pull a chainsaw out the ground. Because guess what? Because people. Because the chainsaw was stuck in the ground in the rolling saltway. I must pull it out. Okay, just do it. Okay, I'm gonna sit down first, because I can't, because I don't want to stand up pulling the chainsaw, because that is not good. Because I get tired to stand up all the time. I'm gonna sit down to pull the chainsaw out. Okay. Okay. Okay, because I am ready to do it. Okay, I can pull the chainsaw out of the ground, and the chainsaw is stuck. I'm ready to do it. Okay, ready, steady, go. Oh my God, the chainsaw is too stuck. Oh my God, oh my God. Because I must try even harder to pull out the chainsaw. Okay. Okay, because I am ready to do it. Okay, ready, steady, go. It's too scared. Oh my god, it's too scared. I gotta get it out. I'm gonna try harder. Oh my god, I'm afraid. Oh no. Oh no, I know sponge with a chainsaw. This chainsaw got to throw a total my for me. Oh no, I can't control. Oh no, it's chainsaw. It's far too heavy to me to carry. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I make a serious mistake because I didn't realize that the chainsaw was on. Because I didn't realize a chainsaw was on. I was so stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. 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 Ow! That is painful. No, the chainsaw was on. It going to show my leg. Oh, breathing to death. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Ow! 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 Oh! Ow! Show my belly! The chainsaw get my belly! Ow! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! My leg is bleeding! My leg is bleeding a lot! Oh my god! Oh my belly bleeding a lot! Oh my god! I'm bleeding to death! I'm going to die! Oh no, I'm going to faint! Oh no, 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 no! Oh no! Oh, I'm fainting! No! Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. I must kick Erica. Because I must really kick mummy Erica Goth. I must kick Erica is alright. Oh, right now. Okay. 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 And guess what I must kick? I must kick Erica's heart properly. I must do this properly. Okay. Because I'm going to put my hand in top of Erica Goth test. I want to listen Erica's heart. Okay. Okay. I know. I know. Yeah, kick. Oh my god! Oh dear! Erica's heart stopped beating! No! Erica's heart stopped beating! Oh dear! I must check Erica's pulse. Oh dear! Erica's pulse stopped! Erica long stopped breathing! Oh dear! That is not good! What causes Erica Goth's death? I must check this out. I must investigate. Oh my god! Look at Erica's belly! Erica's belly had a cut! He was breathing! Oh, Erica's belly had a deep cut! Oh dear. Erica had a deep cut with his legs! Oh my god! Erica blood is everywhere! In the floor! In the ground! On the path where people walking softly. Oh my god! The chainsaw was on! I must put the chainsaw off. I must be careful with the chainsaw. Because I don't want to aim like this and like 100 ways to die like Erica did. Oh my lord. Okay, and guess what people? I must turn the chainsaw off. Because guess what? Because guess what I realized about it? Because I realized the chainsaw was on. Okay, I'm going to do right now. I must be careful with a chainsaw to turn it off. Okay, I will get this chainsaw. Okay. I'm going to turn the off button. Okay, ready? Okay. I see a big button is off. A little button is on. I'm going to press the big button. I'm going to turn the big button. Turn the chainsaw off. Okay, the chainsaw is off. I gotta put the chainsaw somewhere safe and nobody don't touch it. Okay? There. Okay. Guess what I already did? I already put the chainsaw safe. Okay? I guess what causes Erica's death? Because Erica was walking in shortly. Erica didn't realize, okay, and guess what? I'm going to tell you something what causes Erica's death. Because Erica was walking. Because Erica didn't realize the chainsaw was on. Because the chainsaw was stuck. And Erica trying to put a chainsaw out the ground. Erica lose control with chainsaw. A chainsaw cut Erica's leg and brain. Erica start breathing to death, go in the ground in the passing short way, and because Erica sit down, Erica feel weak, and Erica and a chainsaw went in Erica's belly. Chainsaw cut Erica's belly even deep. Erica and chainsaw cut Erica's brain. Brought brain, and he brought breathing a lot, and Erica's heart beating with no blood. Erica lungs stopped breathing. We had no pulse. I look at Erica's heart. Erica lungs stopped breathing. Erica's heart stopped beating. Erica lungs stopped breathing, and Erica pulse was stopped. Erica's brain shut down because Erica lose a lot of blood. Erica breathed to death. Because guess what? Because that causes Erica's death. Okay. This video about Mother Erica Goth trying to feed a chainsaw. Erica breathing to death at chainsaw kill Erica, and that is causes Erica death. And this video is part of 100 ways to die, and even part of the Halloween Day video at the 31st of October 2022. Okay. Okay. Oh dear. How sad. Because I cannot bring Erica back to life. Oh, what is a shame. Okay, people. Okay, people. People. Okay, thank you to watching my nice long video about Mother Erica Goth doesn't realize the chainsaw was on, and trying to put the chainsaw up, a chainsaw and kill Erica, cut Erica's leg, and Erica's brain was bleeding for death. We all brought Erica heart, lungs, and brain stopped working. And that means it's Erica's death. And guess what, people? People, I want you to leave a comment below what you think of this video, and press like you like this video, and press notification the bell button you don't miss what video I post. Press the subscribe button to do it every day, because make sure, people, guess what, people, because I want people on YouTube to understand me properly, and make sure just do it in this video. Make sure just understand me properly. Make sure just doing everything I said, and make sure just do it. Make sure to get it in your mind. Okay, people. Thank you for watching my nice video about Erica's death. A part of 100 Ways to Die, part of Halloween Day video, part of Halloween, that's true. Okay, thank you to watching. Thank you to watching. A nice and terrifying video. Okay, thank you to watching. Okay, so long, farewell. We know, like, goodbye. Thank you to watching. Goodbye. Bye.